So, favorite format is back in India, and this time for real. I know we had a West Indies
Yeah.
tour of India for
Yeah.
2 matches,
Yeah.
but that series was meh.
Yeah.
But yeah, for
Yeah.
real, South
Yeah.
Africa coming to India
Yeah.
for 2 tests and 3 ODIs, and we are all very excited about that.
Yeah. काफी टाइम के बाद South African team is touring India, and it's like for a full-fledged series. But what is more important is South Africa is currently the champion, like world champions for Test cricket.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to have a contest with them. So yeah, let's do a quick preview. What do you think chances are? And then obviously team के बारे में बात करते हैं, composition के बारे में बात करते हैं. कुछ थोड़े प्लेयर्स है जो शायद हमें नहीं दिखेंगे आगे भी तो उसके बारे में बात करते हैं.
I'm most excited about Rishabh Pant.
Yeah.
He's back. Akashdeep is also back.
Yeah.
But yeah, looking forward to this. Like you said, it is a full-fledged test series, test match, and then ODIs and then T20s as well.
Yeah. Yeah, so Rishabh Pant I think comes back in place of Jagadishan, jo was a backup when he fractured. Rishabh Pant fractured his feet, and then Akashdeep comes back in place of Prasidh Krishna. So giving us the third seam option. तो और समीर और क्या क्या हमें इस स्क्वाड में नहीं दिखे लोग.
I think सबसे important question in my mind is it goodbye for Mohammad Shami?
Yeah, I feel it is because in spite of performing रणजी में उसको मौका नहीं मिला है. तो I don't know like what's the road ahead for him from now on.
Yeah, I mean, it is sad, but with a heavy heart, I think I agree because I think selectors are not looking at Shami anymore,
Yeah.
which is sad.
Yeah, I think fitness एक obviously reason है, age is another reason. What is even surprising कि उसको इंडिया ए में भी जगह नहीं मिली है. Who's currently playing against South Africa A.
Because in my opinion, if there is any other bowler, I know of late Siraj has been doing really, really well for India, especially in Test series, even in England and now in India against West Indies as well.
Yeah.
But Shami is, मतलब Test series में तो he is a workhorse. He can come in and bowl
Yeah.
with perfect rhythm, and even in Indian conditions where
Yeah.
bowlers are not, it is difficult for being a bowler.
Yeah.
But udhar bhi Shami has done exceptionally great. He in domestic also he is performing well.
Yeah.
But selectors are not seeing him.
Yeah.
उसने खुलेआम बोल भी दिया कि I am waiting for a call.
Yeah, exactly. My rhythm is back. I'm amongst the wickets, but I don't think Agarkar is seeing that right now at this point, and that's a tough pill to swallow for all the Indian fans who've been like backing him up all the way.
Yeah. I think apart from Mohammad Shami being gone, another point that we should also discuss is Karun Nair ka kya? Is it a goodbye for him?
I think it is. It is a sure shot goodbye because after what like the opportunities that were given to him in England, कहीं ना कहीं वो runs नहीं आए उसकी तरफ से जब opportunities मिली when India needed him the most.
Exactly. I think selectors are saying him, see, we gave you 3-4 games.
Yeah.
And he did not come good, to be honest. In England, there was one game where he scored a half century.
Yeah.
But at this stage for Indian team, that was just not good enough.
Right.
And the England selection itself was a chance for
it was kind of a reward of like what he did in the previous Ranji session.
Yes.
But again, like age is against him as well.
Exactly, age is against him, and now Indian selectors are looking for other alternatives, younger generation, new batsmen.
Yeah.
So I think it is unfortunate, but it is a goodbye for Karun Nair as well.
Yeah, I mean, I would have really loved him to see in another home series at least.
Exactly.
But again, it is what it is.
हाँ, थोड़ी ज्यादती तो हुई है. I think West Indies series में खिलाना चाहिए था.
Yes.
But because they didn't play him against West Indies,
Yeah.
and now they have not selected him for South Africa either.
Yeah.
I think it is curtains.
Yeah, I think
But hopefully,
yeah,
hopefully he proves the selectors wrong,
yeah,
and hopefully he makes a comeback. But I don't see that happening, honestly.
yeah. रणजी में already फोड़ रहा है वो, like another double 100 for Karnataka.
Exactly.
But then I want to discuss the curious case of Mr. Sarfaraz Khan with you. What do you think?
यार सरफराज खान का क्या सीन है यार, क्यों उसको नहीं खिलाया जा रहा है? फॉर मी, आई सी हिम लाइक अ mini Rishabh Pant.
Mhm.
He is not the technically strongest batsman like
Yeah.
KL Rahul
Yeah,
in Indian team,
yeah.
but he is effective, especially in India.
Mhm.
मतलब अगर तुम इंडिया में उसको नहीं खिला रहे तो कहाँ खिलाओगे फिर? आई मीन आई अंडरस्टैंड इफ दे डोंट प्ले हिम इन इंग्लैंड,
Yeah,
बट वेस्ट इंडीज टूर में भी नहीं खिलाया. आई थिंक लास्ट दे टुक हिम टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर.
yeah,
I know Ayaz Menon has also raised a point after seeing a newspaper article about the curious case of Sarfraz Khan.
yeah,
Uh, there is no transparency around why he was dropped in the first place,
Yeah.
in spite of being in good form in Australia, and then he was just gone.
yeah. I mean, एक पॉइंट है कि लाइक उसको मतलब देख नहीं रहे, या एटलीस्ट इंडिया ए में भी नहीं है वो. So it's not he's not even making that squad. So I don't know if he got like exposed during net sessions in Australia, या कुछ खुलासे मतलब सीक्रेट उसने रखे नहीं है, and it kind of leaked out, but there's no clarity, there's no insight given by the
हाँ,
selectors.
I think I remember we were discussing about कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया टूर के वक्त ऐसा कुछ हुआ था जिसमें कोई मेंबर ऑफ द टीम ने टीम की बातें बाहर मीडिया को फैला दी.
Yeah, but
There-
it's all
it
speculation.
is all speculation.
Yeah.
There were speculations that someone from the team
Yeah.
leaked things.
Correct.
टाइमिंग ऐसा है कि उसके बाद सरफराज खान
दिखा नहीं गई. और अगर ये
सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ,
yeah,
I hope that is not the case.
Yeah.
I hope Team India is not decided, or selection does not happen based on these things.
Yeah.
Because these things you can talk with the player and you can improve things.
right.
Uh,
I also feel fitness is not an issue, because अगर fitness की clarity दी है या ये बोला कि we are expecting better fitness, तो बंदा तो भाई पूरा अलग इंसान बन चुका है.
हाँ,
You can see the transformation.
exactly. And in terms of talent, he is one of the best in the domestic circuit.
Yeah.
We were talking just recently. We were talking about Amol Muzumdar.
Yeah,
कि डोमेस्टिक में इतना लेजेंड है अमोल मुजुमदार, बट ही डिडंट गेट टू प्ले फॉर इंडिया.
Yeah.
Although Sarfraz Khan did play for India, but very few matches. He has never gotten a long rope.
yeah,
And I think if he gets a long rope, he can prove his worth.
yeah. Again, like hoping, for him to prove the selectors wrong with another grand Ranji season this year. But yeah,
और उसके बाद है आई थिंक अभिमन्यु ईश्वरन. ही वाज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द इंग्लैंड टेस्ट टीम.
yeah,
Did not get any opportunity. I know Gambhir mentioned that he will get an opportunity.
yeah,
उसके बाद उसके पापा ने कुछ तो बोला, किसको क्या पता नहीं,
हाँ.
बट उसके बाद से
Yeah.
how has he been in the Ranji or domestic
I
circuit?
think he's been part of the India A scheme, but he's not performing that well. So I think his is probably a definite goodbye from my side, because Ranji में runs नहीं आ रहे, India A में runs नहीं आ रहे, तो then there is like we have to look ahead, at some point.
Yeah, but yeah, all those things aside, I am really looking forward to Rishabh Pant being back in this team.
Yeah.
After gap and injury.
Yeah.
And I wanted to discuss about Rishabh Pant and Dhruv Jurel.
Yeah,
Dhruv Jurel is also part of the test squad.
yeah.
There are 2 wicket keepers. Do you see them playing together?
Definitely. I do want to see both of them in the playing 11, just because Dhruv Jurel can purely be as a batter. वेस्ट इंडीज में ऑब्वियसली सेंचुरीज आई. अभी इंडिया ए की तरफ से जब साउथ अफ्रीका ए को खेल रहे तो एक सेंचुरी आई है. ही वाज द कैप्टन इन द फर्स्ट टेस्ट मैच, और आई थिंक इट वाज ऋषभ पंत, बट या ही वाज देयर एंड ही स्कोर्ड अ सेंचुरी इन द सेकंड टेस्ट मैच अभी. एंड I see a definitely there is a case where both of them can be part of the 11, but मुझे पता है कि Gambhir has an affinity towards all rounders, and that's why he might opt for Nitish Kumar Reddy if he's fit.
और हर्षित राणा. I hope Harshit Rana is not part of the squad.
Yeah, अभी squad में नहीं है वो. But yeah, Dhruv Jurel and Rishabh Pant can play both together, especially in India when you only require like two seam options, and I think we have three spinners already. I don't see a need of a sixth bowling option in case of Nitish Kumar Reddy. And let's be honest, like Jurel can definitely is in a better batting form than Nitish Kumar Reddy right now. So
Yeah, I 100% agree, and it will be very refreshing if both Rishabh Pant and Jurel are part of the team. I
Yeah.
mean, Rishabh Pant is part of the playing 11 for
yeah,
sure,
he walks in. Yeah,
but I hope Jurel also gets a place in
Yeah.
the playing 11. Uh, I agree, like you said, knowing Gambhir's mentality,
Yeah.
he might opt for a all-rounder in place of Jurel, but I really hope we get to see more of Rishabh Pant and Dhruv Jurel together,
Together.
and that will be amazing. They can,
Swap
take
it.
turns keeping. They are both good keepers.
Yeah, absolutely.
ऋषभ पंत को भी थोड़ी रेस्ट मिल जाएगी, जैसे इंग्लैंड में वो बैटिंग कर रहा था और ध्रुव जुरेल फील्डिंग कीपिंग कर रहा था.
Yeah.
इट कैन बी वर्कड आउट.
या एंड अगर जुरेल के बैट से रन आ गए अभी इस सीरीज में अगर वो खेलता है तो देन आई थिंक इट्स अ लॉक बिकॉज लाइक जो हम एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रहे थे विद करुण नायर एट दैट पोजीशन विद लाइक मे बी देवदत्त पडिक्कल इन दैट स्कीम कि हमको उस नंबर में एक बैट्समैन चाहिए कभी कभी व्हेन वी आर प्लेइंग एट होम तो दैट विल बी अ लॉक आई गेस.
या बट वही है कि वी ओनली हैव 2 मैचेस
ना
फॉर टेस्ट सीरीज. आई रियली वांट टेस्ट सीरीज टू बी एटलीस्ट 3 मैचेस.
यार अभी इतना बड़ा बोर्ड है यार 3 तो अफोर्ड कर ही सकते हैं आई थिंक. बट प्रॉब्लम ये होती है 2 मैचों की कि लाइक अगर कहीं ऊंच नीच हो गई एक मैच में तो वो WTC पे सीधा अफेक्ट करता है तो
सीधा विन परसेंट पे अफेक्ट करेगा.
Yeah.
सो होपफुली इंडिया का विन परसेंट सैक्रिफाइस ना हो इसमें.
Yeah. Yeah.
बट सो हु आर योर प्लेयर्स टू वॉच फॉर दिस सीरीज?
ये सीरीज में आई वांट टू सी यू नो a closure on our number 3 position, which is Sai Sudarshan. So I expect him, and I'm hoping for a big series from him because if that happens, then उसके बाद कोई सवाल पूछेगा नहीं कि who's our number 3. It will be a lock because अब next test match हम 6 महीने या 7 महीने बाद खेलेंगे, and then he can probably be a definite on that list. So that's my player to watch out for. What about you?
For me, it is Yashasvi Jaiswal. He is definitely a all format player for me. His talent is not just test series, but he can be a T20 and one day player as well. Just like
Mr. Rana.
no, but in all seriousness, yeah, just Jaiswal is now focused only on test cricket, and that's why I see him waiting all the days
Yeah.
or all these months really
Yeah.
to prove his worth
Yeah.
and showcase himself on this
Yeah.
on this stage. So yeah, he'll be raring to go in this test series. So I'm backing him to make big hundreds.
लड़का फॉर्म में भी है. बॉम्बे के साथ उसने अभी जाके 150 रन बनाए हैं इन राजस्थान.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But so what about prediction? क्या लगता है?
Predictions, I am going with 2-0 India. I know it's like South Africa. थोड़ा मामला थोड़ा गंभीर रह सकता है.
ये वेस्ट इंडीज नहीं है, ये साउथ अफ्रीका है. Whenever we talk about South Africa team, I think about the Hansi Cronje वाला team, the Dale Steyn वाला team,
The Devillers वाला टीम. हाँ.
Alan Donald वाला team,
Yeah. Jack Callis.
Jack Callis वाला team.
Yeah.
So although right now it is Bavuma वाला team, but it is still a young team and they are world champions right
हाँ,
now.
पाकिस्तान में they're coming right after playing Pakistan. They tied the test series there 1-1. So and that too on like flat road like surfaces, ranked turners. But yeah, they that's the one we can't take them lightly for sure.
Yeah, this is one team that we can never take lightly.
Yeah.
So my prediction is also actually 2-0, but I say that with a lot of reservations, but I'll still go for 2-0 and India to win.
Yeah. Yep. इसके साथ ही I think India A versus South Africa A की also squad was announced. So any surprises there, Samir?
As a surprise, I think I was surprised to see Tilak Verma is the captain.
Yeah.
And I know that coming ODI series,
Yeah.
Shreyas Iyer will not be there
Yeah.
because
Probably,
of his injury.
Yeah.
He will probably not be playing ODIs for the next couple of months maybe.
Yeah.
So that is a आपद में अवसर. That is definitely a good opportunity for someone like Tilak Verma
Yeah.
or even someone else to step up.
Ruturaj.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, yes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we would love to see someone new face there in place of Shreyas Iyer for the ODI series.
Yeah.
And we can get a good candidate for number
Yeah,
4
or
position.
like everybody like bats one position down and Yashasvi Jaiswal comes to open with Rohit. वो भी एक possibility.
Rohit and Jaiswal to open and
And then
one down तो
Gill-
VK ही आएगा
VK
यार.
आएगा. अच्छा. मुझे लगता है शायद गिल आ जाए और VK gets to number 4. But yeah, we'll see how the series goes.
I would
but-
rather have VK number 3 and Gill number 4.
Okay. Yeah, interesting choice again.
That would also be.
not bad at all. Yeah.
But yeah, we'll wait and watch.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll be back with the reviews of the test match and hoping it's a cracker of a series. And we'll see you soon.
Cheers.
Okay, bye.